Clay has to be won before the potter can use it. It has to be processed, screened, all the pieces removed from it. Before that, it has to be got from the ground. What we're seeing here is crude clay as dug from a pit in the west of England. As you can see, at the moment, it's extremely wet and it's very massive. It would be impossible to put this through a screen as it is. First, it has to be broken up into lumps so that they will dry. Then those dried lumps can be put into water and then they will break down quickly so that the slurry can be put through a screen and refined to a point where the potter can use it. I should mention here that this is the way I myself